Hello and welcome back to Ribbon Candy Hooking. I'm Deanna, and welcome to the second book in our month of giveaways. 3 giveaways of this book this week. Draw will be this coming Monday on Coffee Time. You have all weekend and tomorrow, so you've got 3 full days to enter to win this amazing book by Anne-Marie Littenberg, Hooked Rug Portraits. This is the book we've been looking at this week on Coffee Time in our mornings, and it has been a wonderful, inspirational, educational, fun book. If it's not in your library already, it has to be. Enter to win. All you have to do is in the body of this video, you make a comment, like, subscribe, make a comment. If you already are subscribed, that's great. Like, and in the comments, say something about where you're from. We're trying to figure out where everybody's from so we can put each other on the map and find each other a little bit better. Don't give us the street address, just tell us generally where you're from. I'd love to see that in the comments. And if you do like, comment, and subscribe, if you've already subscribed, again, you've got 1 out of the 3 all set, so you're good. I'm going to look at those comments, assign numbers, and do the live drawing on Monday morning, picking 3 winners to win this fantastic book by Anne-Marie Littenberg, Hooked Rug Portraits. So that is coming up. Make sure that you enter in time. Cutoff is going to be, I'm going to say 11:30 a.m. before coffee time at noon on Monday, right? Noon Eastern Standard Time. So cutoff will be a little bit before then. And I will announce the winners live on air. Good luck to everybody. I hope that you all win. 3 of you will. Good luck to you. I'll see you then.